Tucked away at downtown Disney is a hidden gem, Splitsville Luxury Lanes. Splitsville is a modern and upscale take on the bowling experience. Their menu has a large variety of options that we'll link in the description, and you can sit inside or at their large patio area. Menu and atmosphere goes far beyond the traditional alley experience. If your schedule allows, I definitely recommend going there, not only for bowling, but also for the food. It was better quality than in the parks. I had the California Crunch Roll, which was delicious and filling. We also ordered the Caesar salad and asked for the chicken not to be blackened, and it was very good.
I loved the grilled cheese, and the old school crinkle fries were the best.
The cheese pizza was perfection.
After eating on the patio, we went to book a lane. You can also go online to prepay for a lane and eat while you are bowling. Just note that if you do that, you will be paying a premium rate.
Not only is the food and the atmosphere really cool, but the building has these little enclaves of lanes so you don't feel so overwhelmed.
While bowling, a server will take your food and drink orders. We ordered souvenir slushes.
And I had a delicious martini.
Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video.